Walkthrough of the TDA QTS ICT skills test. I'm going to do practice test 1, 35 minutes to complete 4 tasks. And we start with the presentation task. Open the folder viewer, school network, admin, and we're looking for the file called eSafety presentation. Here it comes. On slide 1, insert into the image box the image called Young People, which is in the school network images folder. There it is. On slide 3, amend the last sentence to read save evidence of conversations. Insert a new slide between slide 1 and 2 using the title and text template. Title and text template insert after the current slide. For the title, enter the text objective. Center the title within its text box. Select, and choose center. Okay, and moving forward now. From John Johnson's email, so I'm going to use my email package, Tom Johnson's email. Copy the text that starts to ensure safety and responsible use of digital safeties. So we take that and I copy that using the mouse, using the menus, paste it into the text box on the new slide. So I can minimize that. That's still running. Edit, paste. Looking good. Make these changes to the master slide settings, modify master slide settings, and apply to all slides. Set the title text to 28 point. Set the body text to 16 point. Change the background colour to white. Set the slide transition to fade in with a 2-second delay. Text format 28, 16 point, background is white, apply to all slides. Good. On to the next. Delete the final slide. Fair enough. Yes, I'm quite sure I want to do that. Okay. Oops, sorry, it was remove slide, not the text from the slide. There we go. Save the revised presentation as eSafety version 2 in the School Network admin folder. File, save as, School Network, admin, eSafety version 2. Save. Set up a reply to Tom. So back to my email program, replying to Tom, attaching the latest version of the presentation. In the body of the email, enter the text, updated file attached, okay, with an inverted comma, and attach a file, School Network, admin, eSafety version 2, that's attached, and send. Your email has been sent. Good. Check your work, then save any files that you've modified. I think we've done that already. Close all programs to complete the task. We'll just save this again, exit that, and I suppose we ought to exit the folder viewer. If you have completed all the tasks, okay, we haven't yet, so we click on next, and that takes us to the next task. We have 31 minutes left. Week 2 of the autumn term has been set aside as Book Week. Jim Kent is to visit the school library. Green forward arrow. Using the text editor application, open the file called Invite, which is in Network Events. There we go. Format the document, setting the font style of the first line of the text to heading 1 and the rest of the text to normal. So this is going to be formatted as heading 1 and the rest of the text as normal. Good. Over the right, the reminders with the image JK Photo 1 from the My Pictures folder. So this is a reminder, isn't it? Insert picture from File, My Pictures, JK Photo 1. There's Jim Knight, obviously it's Jim Knight. And the text, Jim Knight, copyright Great Pics Inc. Okay. And amend the line starting image note to 9 point. So this line we're going to reformat as 9 point text. 8 point, missed it. There we go. And we move on to the next one. An email from Jim Kent confirms that he can attend Book Week. It includes a paragraph explaining why he enjoys reading and writing. Copy the paragraph, paste it before the booking instructions. So, email from Jim Kent. I'm available on the Friday. This is the paragraph. Minimizing this. Okay. Paste it before the booking instructions must be there. Edit. Paste. Good. Okay, I'm going to put a blank line in there. Okay. Spell check the document. Actually, we probably shouldn't have a blank line in there, should we? Spell check the document and replacing all misspelt words. So, tools, spell check. Not in dictionary. Well, it wouldn't be, would it? So we're going to change to the suggestion. September we're going to change to the suggestion. And that's done. Okay, on to the next page. Insert the page number in the footer of the document. Page number in footer, page 1. Good. Save the revised text file as invite version 2. File, save as. School network, school events, Book Week folder, invite version 2. Save. Print the document. Invite 2 in best quality on the admin printer. That looks absolutely fine. Doesn't say anything about colour, but it's colour photograph. So, and let's go on to the next page. Check your work and then save any files that you've modified. Well, we've already saved this, but just to be on the safe side. Close all applications. And click on to the next task. We have 27 minutes left. Your school is planning an away day and final year classes have been asked to vote for their preferred destination. You're using the spreadsheet to collect the results. Makes sense. Open the spreadsheet file. I'm going to go for folder viewer this time. Called Away Day Votes in Network School Events. Away Day Votes. Okay. Insert a new row at the top of the spreadsheet and in cell A1 enter the heading Voting Results. So insert row, row before, and enter the in cell heading A1 enter Voting Results. Oh, no capital for results. There we go. Emails from 3 of your colleagues provide the voting results from their 3 classes. Use this information to complete the results table in the spreadsheet. Okay, it looks as though we're going to have 2 applications open at the same time. I'll just try and remember stuff. Let's see how we get on. So, email. Okay, away day from Jim Luxton. 10 for Alton Towers, 8 for the I, and 5 for Victory. 10 for Alton Towers, 8 for the I, 5 for the Victory. Let's just check that. 10, 8 and 5 in that order. Good. Okay, back to the previous emails. So go back to my inbox. So we've done Jim Luxton. Who else have we got? Lisa Barrett. 10 for victory, 7 for the towers, 6 for the eye. 10 for victory. Was that 5 for the towers and 6 for the eye? It's very difficult to remember, isn't it? 7 for the towers and 6 for the eye. Ten for the victory, 7 for the towers, 6 for the eye. Good. Okay, one more to do. It's a test of memory, isn't it? And Duval, 10 for the victory, 7 for the towers, 6 for the eye. 10 for the victory, 7 for the towers, 6 for the eye. Happy coincidence there. 10 for the victory, 7 for the towers, 6 for the eye. 10, 7, 6. Good. I am double checking those. Okay, and on to the next bit. Insert a column after column D. I'm not entirely certain that we need to insert a column, but we'll do as we're told. In the new column, in the same row as the teacher names, enter the text total votes. Center all the cells in columns B to E. I think it probably means center the contents of the cells, but that's best I can do. In the 3 cells beneath the heading total votes, enter 3 formulas, each one calculating the total votes for a particular destination. So equals some other methods would work for this. B3 to D3. 24, the maths is right. I'm going to use the fill handle to take that down and copy that. 8 and 6 is 14. Yeah, that's looking fine. Good. And we go on to the next one. Save the spreadsheet file as away day results. File, save as, school network, school events, away day votes becomes away day results. Good. Print the spreadsheet on the admin printer using best quality file. Print, going to the admin printer, going into best quality, and they give us no further instructions, so I think I can just safely print at that point. Set up a new email addressed to your 3 colleagues and CC it to the head teacher. Okay, let's do one thing at a time. Oh, I've got my email program running still. So, new mail. Who's this going to? It's going to Jim Luxton, Lisa Barrett, and Enric Duval. And it's being copied into the head teacher. For the subject line, enter the text away day results. And for your information, in the body of the email, attach the away day results file, which we hid in school network, school events, away day results, and send the email. Your email has been sent. Good. Okay, and on to the next page. Check your work, blah, save any files, so I can exit the email package, exit the folder viewer, just to be on the safe side, save another copy of that, exit that, and we then move on to the next application, or next test. 21 minutes remain. In preparing for a staff training day, your deputy head has asked you to download a bank of resource materials and register for a regular newsletter. Deputy Head has emailed you. Navigate to the About Prospectus page of the website suggested in her email. That rather suggests we need to look at her email. Deputy Head, prospectus.org.uk. I'm going to copy that. Open up my web browser. TDA website, that's splendid, isn't it? And, oops, I don't paste like that, I do paste like this. And go. Welcome to Prospectus. Okay. Bookmark the About Prospectus page and rename the bookmark. Bookmark, add bookmark. Good. That works. Bookmark, show bookmarks, organize bookmarks. This one I'm going to rename. And what were we going to rename it to? Resource Bank. Copy that. Paste that in. There we go. Visit the we can exit that. We can exit that. Visit the login and access section. You are a new user, so set up an email as instructed and CC your deputy head. Email us at take all of that, edit, copy. Back over to email, creating a new email, goes to the address I've just copied. I copy in the deputy head. The subject is as instructed on the website. New user request, edit, copy. Your center ID in the body of the email. Oops. So edit, paste. I need to find my center ID, which is in the school network admin folder. They're making us work for these marks, aren't they? School network, admin, center ID, or center info. There we go. Our center ID is that. Edit, copy. Over to the email, edit, paste. I think we've done what we're asked to. Send the email. Your email has been sent. Next page. An email has arrived from Prospectus. The email is not in your inbox. That's very amusing, isn't it? I wonder if it actually did arrive. Locate the email and make a note of the new username and password supplied. Now, I suspect that's something which they've set up beforehand, don't you? Edit, copy. Oh, I was supposed to make a note of it. Right, let's do edit, copy that. Text editor, file, new. Perhaps this just means that I can write it down on a piece of paper that's supplied. Edit, paste, there we go. Return to the browser and log into the site. So let's just have teacher and central one. Okay, return to the browser, log into the site. Teacher and central one. Better type it in. You know what these things can be like. Sign in. That worked. That's a relief, isn't it? Download the resource spreadsheet. Would you like to open the file or save it to your computer? I want to save it as ResBank in the school network resources folder, and we're going to call this ResBank. Click Save. Okay, and on to the next page. Navigate to the bookshop page on the Prospectus website. So somewhere over here we've got our Prospectus website. There's the bookshop page. That's a relief. Subscribe to the monthly newsletter as instructed using the allstaff@ourschool.sch.uk email address. I'm sure that will go down very well with our colleagues, don't you think? Pasting that in. So I've obviously got to submit that. We want the monthly newsletter, don't we? Submit. Print the confirmation screen to the admin printer. File, print to the admin printer. Doesn't say anything about how we can do that, so let's just click OK. Move all emails and relate to Prospectus to the resources email folder. That sounds as though I'm in my email package, so I've got this one here. Let's go back in over to this junk folder. I'm going to select move, and that's going to go to resources. Click OK. This one here, I'm going to move this to the resources folder. I'm curious what newsletter is. No, that's nothing to do with the newsletter we've just signed up for, which is a relief. Move all emails that relate to Prospectus to the resources email folder. I think I've done that now. Okay, so we can move on to the next page. Check your work, save any files that you have modified, close all programs to complete the task. So we exit that, we exit that, we exit that. Not modified that, so I don't need to save it again. Well, strictly speaking, the note that I made I have actually modified, so let's just pop that in my files and give it the file name ignore. I can't imagine that there are marks for that, but I'm still doing what I'm told. Close. And click on the next button at the top of the screen to move on to another task. You have completed all the tasks. Click on the quit button. Let's just have a look, shall we? You've finished the test. Please press continue. Okay, you've reached the standard required to pass the test. If you perform the same standard at one of the TDA centres, you will pass. Isn't that nice to know? So I'm going to click OK on that, and I'm going to stop recording now.